I've definitely messed up a few things. 10 videos doesn't seem like a lot, but when you are doing it from scratch with zero clues on what to do, it definitely feels like a milestone. That's why I figured I'll sit down over here and then share some things I didn't expect as a new YouTuber. There are some things about creating and honestly about staying motivated and how these platforms really teaches you a lot. Okay, so let's see one. Talking to the camera is weird. You see people talking on camera like this, telling their stories and all this stuff, but nobody tells you how weird it is to talk to the camera. Like, press record and start talking, you instantly forget how to speak. Like, you be overthinking every word. Around 4 to 5th video, it started to feel real, like less robotic. Everything seemed natural. It's like you are learning to talk again, by this time on camera. Okay, so the second one, the thing is, you learn more by doing than tutorials. I started watching tutorials about lighting, camera positions, and then editing, and then all this stuff, but none of this really made sense until I started to upload. Okay, so you upload 1, 2, 3 before you feel like, okay, this is why you need cut, this is why you need b-roll in your content. The thing is, you learn more by posting than watching tutorials about editing, about how the algorithm work and all this stuff. Okay, so the third one, watching yourself on camera is weird, like a bit painful, but it is useful as well. But watching yourself talk on camera after shooting, seeing yourself, bro, the cringe is real. The thing is, you start to notice some stuff on you, like how much times you say okay, and all this stuff, so you improve on that. You notice some stuff on you. You kind of become your own coach without you realizing it. This fourth one, you are not going to believe it. Like, bro, editing takes way longer than expected. At first I thought shooting was the hardest part, the real deal, but it turns out editing was, bro, like, you shoot 1 hour 30 minutes and then you spend 5 to 4 hours figuring out where to cut, where to add the cuts, b-roll, and then all this. Okay, so after seeing all this, how editing takes way longer, so I respect editors on a new level now. How they use few hours to edit a whole YouTube video and then the video turns out massive. Okay, there is another weird thing. Number 5, your good videos flop sometimes. Sometimes I believe in one video, bro, the delivery is real, everything about the video is massive, but that video ends up getting 16 views, 4, and then that video turns out flopping. There were videos I believed in, like, this video is going to hit, but the video I almost didn't upload ends up getting views than the ones I believed in. The thing is, sometimes you can't predict what's gonna blow, what's gonna go viral, so you just need to shoot, edit, upload, and then move on. So let me talk about this last thing. You have to figure out your voice as you go. At first, when I started to shoot my second video, I wanted to sound like every YouTuber I watch. The thing is, you can't be like someone. You just have to be you, and then figure out your voice and then your style as you go. I'm still figuring out mine though, but I'm starting to learn how to tell a story, how to react, how to edit, and all this. I'm still figuring out my style though, but the thing is, you need to keep on posting and then shoot more. It's not easy as you think, but it is worth it. I thought YouTube would be so easy. I mean, shoot a video, add a title, then boom, I'm done. But it takes a lot of time, effort, staying motivated, and then all this, even when no one is watching your videos. The thing for me right now is, even with the ups and downs, I'm glad I started doing it. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, don't even think, just post your first, second, third, and then you go. If you find this video helpful, give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.